Hi, I'm Kenny with Healthy You, and I'm going to show you how to use the Core Products Apex Cervical Orthosis Premium with heat. This is a great product to help alleviate headaches, relax tense neck muscles, and help restore the natural curve of the neck. It is available with or without the MICROBEAD heat pack. This product should only be used under the supervision and recommendation of a healthcare professional. Heat the MICROBEAD pack in the microwave for 10 seconds, knead, and then continue heating at 5-second intervals until the desired temperature is reached. Lie down face up on a firm surface, locate the apex of the cervical contour in the area of lordotic loss, and place the larger angled surface under the upper thoracic spine. Use for an initial treatment time of 2 minutes. Increase each daily treatment in 1-minute intervals with a maximum treatment of 20 minutes. Roll off to the side before sitting up post-treatment. If you'd like to order this product at an unbeatable price, visit us at healthyuweb.com or click on the links in the description. If you enjoyed this content, please like this video and subscribe to our channel today.